midnight.
Hello everybody, this is
Lows in the
MSR
mid-70s.
2007
Northeast
here.
winds around 10 miles an hour
And
until
today is
midnight,
Wednesday,
becoming light and variable.
June 15th,
Thursday,
or I'm
partly
sorry,
cloudy.
July 15th,
Highs in the mid-90s.
2020.
Northeast
Current
winds
time is
around 10
11:58.
miles
They're
an
getting
hour,
ready to
shifting
do
to the
the
southeast in the afternoon.
required
Thursday
weekly
night,
test.
partly cloudy. Lows in the mid-70s.
Unfortunately, I can't get the
Southeast
W100
10
to work,
miles an hour.
or to get on the
Friday,
broadcast, so
mostly
it won't
sunny.
be participating in this
Highs in the upper 90s.
required weekly test.
South winds 10 to 15 miles an
But
hour.
there's another one at 7 p.m.
Friday
tonight
night,
that may not
mostly
happen,
clear.
so...
Lows in the upper
Yeah.
70s. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. Saturday night, clear. Lows in the
Yeah, I'll just
mid-70s.
let it speak for itself.
Sunday, sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. Sunday night, clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. Monday night, mostly clear. Lows in the mid-70s. Tuesday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 90s. This is your weather radio's.
Here we go. Fire weekly test.
You have just heard a test of the National Weather Service radio warning alarm feature. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at a greater distance from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. During severe weather, the warning alarm will be activated for severe thunderstorm and tornado watches, and for severe thunderstorm, tornado, and flash flood warnings. The warning alarm will also be used for civil emergency messages. A test of the warning alarm feature of National Weather Service Radio is conducted at 12 noon and 7 p.m. each Wednesday, unless there is a significant risk of severe weather in the area. You're listening to Oklahoma City Weather Radio, and here are noon weather observations.
So there we are. Hopefully I never see this advisory light on for anything besides the required weekly test or required monthly test, which I've not gotten a required monthly test. But then again, I've only had this thing for this WR300 for a few weeks. So, I think it's 3 weeks at this point. So, yeah, I haven't had that long. So, yeah. That being said, thanks for watching, and that'll be it.